Hey everybody, it's Haley, and this week is Thanksgiving, so I thought I would share with you my very favorite pumpkin pie recipe. It's super easy and very delicious and creamy, silky, so let's just get into it. First off, we are going to mix together the dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, which you don't see in pumpkin pie recipes all the time, but I really like to add it. I need a bigger bowl. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Hold on. Okay, take 2. I've switched to a much bigger bowl. So I've got my sugars here, and then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of cloves, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I'm gonna whisk that all together. Got some sugar clumps in here. Also, by the way, I've been sick the past few days, so if my voice sounds a little bit weird, that's why. All right, I think that looks like it's mixed enough to me. So then we're gonna set that aside, and in my large bowl right here, I'm gonna add my eggs. So you've got 4 eggs, and just give them a quick whisk to break them up. And then we're going to add in the dry ingredients to the bowl with the eggs. And then you're also going to add your pumpkin. So I have a giant 29-ounce can right here, but you can also just use 2 15-ounce cans. I'm not sure how many cups this is, but I will put that in the description box for you guys. Oh, it smells so good. I love pumpkin pie. It may be my favorite. Recycle your cans. And my special addition, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. My grandma always says, just add a little extra vanilla. So I try to add it to everything I make. And I'm gonna stir this together until it is well combined. Then I have 2 cans of evaporated milk, or that's 3 cups, and I'm just going to gradually add it in. So like add a little and stir it in, and oh, don't splash on me. No, don't do that. Okay. One can down, 1 to go. All right, our pie filling is all done, and now we're ready to put it into the pie crust. So here I have 2 9-inch deep dish pie pans, and I actually think this might be too much. I thought this was only gonna make 2 pies, okay? But we'll just see. Just gonna pour it in. Oh no. No. And you can fill these up pretty much to the top. Your pie is not gonna rise in the oven or magically grow. You just don't want it to overflow. Okay, so I've got some extra over here. I'll figure out what to do with that. But right now we're going to bake these pies. Whew, be very careful. And I'm gonna bake these pies at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. Or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay. Just gotta be very careful. Slowly moving these over to the oven. And voila! The pumpkin pie is all done, and we're ready to try it. So I actually ended up baking my pumpkin pie for, I think it was closer to like 15 minutes, but every oven is different. Just remember, check it when a knife comes out in the middle and it's clean. And mine was still a little bit jiggly when I took it out. So just because it's jiggly does not mean that it's not done. You check it with a knife. But after about 30 minutes of baking, I also covered my pumpkin pie with foil because I didn't want it to get too dark in the oven. All right, so as you can see, people have already started eating it. And yeah, so there's pie missing. I'd recommend that you let this pie fully cool down before you serve it. You could actually put it in the fridge. The great thing about this pie is that it's even better the second day. So if you want to make it the day before Thanksgiving, then you have less work to do on Thanksgiving and you can serve it second day and it's even better. Or Thanksgiving leftovers, you know. Of course, I have to top it with some whipped cream. And I'm going to try. So good. I just love the texture. It's so smooth, and then there's like so much flavor in the pumpkin. I love it. This is my happy pie dance. If you want to make this pie recipe at home, all the ingredients are in the description box. Make sure to go check it out. I promise this pie will not disappoint you if you're a pumpkin pie lover. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Oh, I almost forgot. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving and spending time with your friends and your family and eating lots of yummy food, because those are my favorite things. I'm so thankful for food and pie and my amazing friends and family, and of course you guys for supporting me on my baking journey. And I will see you next time, hopefully in a Christmas video. Okay, bye!